in the day, when we first started low ride, it was only basically 5 really, you know what I'm saying, car clubs as far as, you know, blacks was concerned.
Because we the oldest black club that I know of in California.
My homeboy Turtle turned me on the low ride. Back then he had, I think it was a 69 Le Mans, you know, juiced it in the front on 20s and Kragers. You know what I'm saying? And shit, I loved it, you know what I'm saying?
Well, it's skating rain, partner.
And, you know, I wanted to hang with the big guys.
The reason why I got into Majestic is because what we were trying to do was bring all the community together, you know, because it's like if we start a car club and we go to different areas or neighborhoods where different gang members are from, if we could bring them all together and then we can come together like that, you know, try to bring some of the peace and get away from the streets, just go low ride, having fun with the families and, you know, just doing things like that.
Put your hands down. Turn around. Who's got some ID? Eastside Santana.
Like when I started low riding in the Majestics, you know what I'm saying, we were still gang banging. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in the club basically, you know, was from some sort of gang, but, you know, we had a few squares that wasn't gang banging, but I'd say 95% of us, you know, was from a gang, you know.
What gang?
I was from Santana Block Compton Crips.
First club I was in wasn't really the M. Santana Block, it don't stop.
You better watch out.
It's a M1 carbine, 32 rounds. I can go tear up Lewis Park with this. I can kill about 32 people if I hit them all.
Everything that's hooked up to gang activity, I think we've did. And we've been in jail, out of jail, and I think that's it about gang activity, unless you want me to explain you about gang activity.
If you want.
Nah, we might criminate ourselves.
I was over there on Willow Street, me and the homeboys, Turtle, and Rav, and all of us was kicking over there on Willow Street over there by Fat Daddy house. And let me see. We was fixing on the ride, and about 20 guys outside. Yeah, about 20 of us outside. Rules came from behind the house shooting. And the 2 twins got shot. That's a me and my brother. You know, twins at the same time, you know what I'm saying? They got me in the back and my brother in the nose. I rolled over on him, caught him over there by the tracks. I shot at him, and as I was rolling back towards the hood, the police swooped on me, and somebody up in the working on the telephone pole seen us where I threw the gun at, and they snagged me with the gun, took me to jail, Captain Crab, Santana Block.